Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Oh my goodness, it's a little hazy out here today, but it's a beautiful day here in Zone 7B. And we're getting ready to talk about heat-tolerant lettuce. Yes, lettuce, guys. I don't know, but if you're like me, I love lettuce for my salads, my smoothies, my sandwiches even. And I need to have crisp lettuce. I need to have a variety of lettuce. And they can bolt so easily in the summer unless you know which varieties to choose.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
Okay guys, we are back, and before we get started, you know we have to do our yard work. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and I'm glad to see you again. Take a second and subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Connect to me over on Facebook, my Facebook group. It's for you guys, not me. I want to see what's growing on in your gardens, your progress, your failures, your successes, your questions. That's Container Crops over on Facebook. And you can always find me on IG, Scaredy Cat Gardener. Okay, I think that's going to do it for our yard work. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so before I tell you exactly which lettuce that I prefer, I just want to say that there are probably a ton of more than what I'm getting ready to name, but these are my top 6. These are the favorites that I love, and these are the ones that I have grown, so I know exactly what they'll do. So, not in necessarily this order, but first on my list we have butterhead lettuce. Butterhead is known for being heat tolerant. It's really hard to bolt. It's easy to start from seed, and you can cut and come back all summer long. Sometimes you might get a flower stalk if you have a real sudden heat wave that strikes, but I've simply cut that off, water a little more, and maybe give it a little shade for a few days. Next up is bib lettuce, also known as butterhead, but there are several varieties that are slow to bolt, like butter crunch and hermosa. Paris Island romaine lettuce, one of my favorites. Now, it can be full grown, or you can eat it as baby leaves in as little as just about 21 days. It has a medium green color and crisp leaves, and this variety grows easy from seed, and it is heat tolerant. Salad bowl blend. It's beautiful, rich colors, sweet leaves, and heat tolerant. Green and red in color, and you can harvest young sweet leaves, and the leaves hold up well on sandwiches too. Great Lakes 118 Crisphead, also known as iceberg. Now, I know iceberg may not have all the nutritional values as some of the other lettuce, but you won't find a better lettuce with a crunch. And for a heavy-duty hamburger, whether it's a vegetarian burger, a beef burger, a turkey burger, it holds up well. It's heat tolerant and bolt resistant. I love it on my sandwiches. And one of my absolute fave is Marvel of Four Seasons. It's a butterhead lettuce variety, tasty and attractive. It's a French heirloom, has sweet leaves, and they are green at the bottom, and they turn a real cranberry color red, and it's got like a rosette shape. It looks like a rose. It's really pretty in your garden. It's like having another flower. Just keep it moist, and it won't turn bitter in the heat. And guess what else I love about the Marvel of Four Seasons? It is great for containers. Okay guys, that's going to do it for today. Those are my top 6 heat tolerant lettuce. So if you want to grow lettuce in the summer, in the heat of the summer, wherever you are, whatever zone you're in, try these varieties and leave me some comments if you're growing a specific lettuce or some lettuce that's heat tolerant in your zone, in your area. Leave me the zone that you're in as well as the variety. I'm sure there's someone else out here that might like to know that information too. Okay, once again, before we get out of here, don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed. I really would appreciate it, guys. So I will see you all next time. Please give the video a thumbs up. It helps the video, the algorithm, and it helps it get shared out, because I know there are a lot of people out here that like to grow lettuce in the summertime, in the heat of the summer at that. So don't forget to share it out. And until next time, remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.